Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this one is by Jada Toys, and this is the JDM tuner series, and this one is Toyota FT1 concept. So I am going to ask you guys sorry in advance because there is going to be a lot of background noise because of the new neighbors upstairs. They are just blasting this home theater very loud. So I don't know what to do. So please bear with me guys. Not only for this video, for all the upcoming videos. Okay, let's unbox this one first and then see how it looks. Okay. So if you are wondering where I bought this during this Chennai Comic Con. So I don't know the shop name now. I totally forgot it. But they had this Fast and Furious. Few of the Fast and Furious collection. I did buy the Toyota Supra on that one, so I will be unboxing that maybe in a while. That looked really cool, really good. So here it is. So let me just unscrew this one guys, and I will just resume the video back on. So just give me a minute on this. So here it is guys, I unscrewed it. Okay, yeah, we got it out. Okay, so here is the car. So the first impressions of this car are it looks really nice. So I never heard about this specific car. Maybe so we are we all know Toyota Supra and few more models, but this concept one I never actually heard about. So it was very new, so I bought it. So okay, it has some acrylics for headlights, and so this the hood actually, especially the nose, this one reminds me of Mercedes Benz. Not sure if they did a collab or something, but it does have this cool engine detailing to it, which is transparent. I don't know about the actual concept car, whether this one is actually transparent. So I need to do a Google search on this one. That looks really cool, and it does some awesome exhaust detail to it. So this one I actually bought for 1,000 rupees, so it is not bad, and it has acrylics for taillights as well, which is really nice. And there is no chassis details again. So the entire body is actually made of metal, except for this part, which it's transparent, and except for this windshield and rear windshield. So rest of the things are actually made of metal, and the spoiler here, which is made of plastic. This spoiler is not actually made of metal. So the tires are actually made of rubber. This does have openable part, as you can see, which is really cool. Let me show you the other side. So this one is a left-hand drive. This is really nice. It has some great detailing to it. You can see the air intake here as well. So this one is actually, I don't know if I can able to show it to you in the video guys. It is actually blacked out here, but it's fine. So for 1,000 rupees, this is a well-made product, I can say. So I personally like this, and Kinsmart, costs somewhere around 650 to 700, I guess. 600 to 700 nowadays. So it used to be somewhere around 350 or 350 rupees, I guess. So one of the shop which I go regularly, he told he used to sell it for 180, the Kinsmart ones. So let's do a roll test real quick. So these are free rolling ones actually. So I don't have much space in the actual desk, but it rolls okay. It does have a lot of wheel wobble on the rear wheel. Front wheel wobbles a little bit, but not as much as the rear wheel. It looks really good. So I can say, for this price, you can go ahead and buy it. So if you are wondering about the scale, this is a 1:32. Yeah, so that's about it. So the paint has some issues here. So I saw a few more pieces as well. I did see, another piece of this one. So that one actually had a lot of paint issues. So I went with this one. You can see here there is a paint bubbling here, and there's a paint rash here. The paint is not even there actually. but it is fine. So I just loved it, so I bought it. Anyway, I'm not. I don't plan on selling this one. So that's it for today, guys. So if you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.